Alright guys, we got another SITIVIAN to look at. Here's the box it comes in, nothing special. Just a bit of cellophane that it comes in. And there's the numbers on the back there. And this model is the ST130, made in China. Alright, here it is. Now this is a little beauty. I like this a lot. It comes in other colours. I mean, we got the black micarta here. I wanted to test out the black. I already have the brown micarta on the ST110, which is a great axis lock knife. I like that one a lot. I like the micarta, at least on this one. Both actually. It's pretty smooth kind of micarta. But anyway, let's take a look at it. It's got a good feel to it. It's tightly woven micarta there. So anyway, the closed length is 4.72 inches. Let's have a look at that on the ruler. It's always good to see it in your mind. So 4.72, just under 5 inches, I guess. Like, there you go. That much under 5 inches. And as you can see there, it's got the hole drilled in it, which to me it spoils it, putting that hole in. A lot of knives that really, I don't know, I don't see that they need a lanyard hole in these. It's like they're trying to tick all the boxes. That's how I see it. I do like their clips though, but I don't like them mushroom headed screws. They annoy me no end. They make good knives, really quality knives. Look at that blade centering, bang on. Like I say, the clips work really well, and they spoil it with not putting in some recessed or flat screw heads. Those mushroom tips, so they're not bad on this one. Sometimes they can get in the way if you've got heavy jeans on, but yeah, anyway, that's a little pet hate for me, putting them mushroom heads on there. But I love these pivot screws. Look at those. Very nice. Very nice indeed. So anyway, that's what it looks like in the closed position. We got a G10 spacer here. Alright, let's see what it's like. We got the flipper tab. No jimping on it. It's a smooth flipper tab. Works very well though. Look at that blade. I love that blade. That's what drew me to this knife. Fantastic blade there. It's just over... Let's test it. Let's test the blade thickness. At its thickest point is... It's kind of round about 3 mil. Just over 3 mil. It's looking like 3.5 mil there at its thickest point, but of course it soon narrows down. We got this wonderful big flat grind here, and these SITIVIAN knives, they always come razor sharp. I mean, you can shave with these things, no problem whatsoever. Yeah, so they have a wonderful edge on them. And this has a wonderful stainless steel. We got that 14C28N, which is a very nice steel. Give me that all day long rather than D2. Why? Nothing wrong with D2 steel. It's a good steel. It's been used in knives since 1965. But it rusts. D2 rusts. 14C is far superior at keeping rust away, and I don't like rust on my knives. I like this though. Alright, so for getting to the liner lock, which is on an early lockup, which I prefer, it also has bearings inside, running on bearings, so droppy shut. out the box. Yeah, it's easy to access the lock bar in here. Just push it to the left, drop it shut. Now you can also open this with your thumb here. Right. Roll it open or flick it open if you're good at that. And if you're really good, which I've got trouble with my fingers at the minute, you can flick it, spidey flick it kind of thing. Yeah, like I say, problem with my fingers right now. Let's try one more time. Alright, we got it. Very comfortable knife this. It's contoured. The big groove here locks in your fingers super tight, you know. Hammer grip, same deal, locked in super tight. This is a great EDC knife, guys, and it's on Amazon right now. I'll put links down below. It's on Amazon for something like $29.99, so just under 30 bucks. And I think there's a 10% off coupon right now also. D10 is not bad. Not too tight, not too light, so reasonable D10. So anyway guys, awesome EDC knife with a blade length of, well, just over 3.5 inch blade length, and super useful slicey and pokey blade there with a very comfortable handle. So I like this one a lot, guys. Let's compare it to the other SITIVIAN there, the ST10. Pretty much on par with that size. And the Civivi. Yeah, pretty much same sort of size. And the Kubi there. A little longer than the Kubi. There's another Kubi. Alright, just a quick video, guys. Thanks for watching, and like I say, I really do like this one. I like the Micarta. That'll end up being really smooth in the end. One thing I'll say about it, I mean, the weight is 4.2 ounces, but there's no milling on these stainless steel liners there. No milling in there at all. So it's got a bit of weight to it, which it works with this knife. It just makes it feel like quality sort of weight for any day task, EDC tasks. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.